Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications, I started one Telegram channel. So the link I provided in the description box of this video, you may check down and join in my group link. And right now we are going to see the recruitment notification in one of the private, oldest private university. And here the principal, assistant and associate professor vacancies are there. And the opportunities are there for the PG, non-UGC NET and UGC NET or MEd or the PhD candidates. And the pay scales are the UGC pay scale, and there is no application fee, and you may apply from any state. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is a CVM University and it is a Vallabh Vidyanagar. So it is established under the Gujarat Private University. And while coming to this one, here you can check down. The CVM University invites applications for the following teaching posts for its various constituent colleges. So here you can check down. The total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 colleges are there. And out of these 5 colleges, the different vacancies are announced. So coming to the first one, here the principal vacancy is there. And coming to the CZPCBM, principal and the assistant professor, one vacancy from the international accounting and one from economics and one from tourism and travel and one from hotel management. And coming to the G.J. Patil Institute, so here the professor and reader vacancies are there. And in ILSASS, assistant professor vacancies are there. One for the English and language and literature and one post for applied psychology and 2 posts for journalism and mass communication and 1 post for politics and international relations and the 2 posts for the human resource management. And coming to the next, Waymaid College of Education, here the assistant professor vacancy 6 for the guidance and counseling or educational technology, evaluation and measurement, and 1 post for the perceptive in education and 4 assistant professor vacancies for curriculum and pedagogical studies and 1 for fine arts, 1 for physical education and 1 for performing arts. Okay. So total from these 4 different colleges, the 4 different types of vacancies are there. And the prescribed application form, qualifications, mode of application and other details, you have to visit the official website here. So you can check down the educational qualifications, okay, that I am going to show you right now here. Okay, so these are all the CVM University educational qualifications. So coming to the professor, okay, and of course to the professor category, the PG is, the PhD is must. And coming to the assistant professor, the PG degree, okay, in the relevant subject with 55% of marks, okay, MEd degree or postgraduate MA degree in education. Third point, any other qualifications prescribed by the UGC or PhD in education or in discipline relevant to the area of specializations. Okay, so here I will provide the PDF link of this one. So you just once visit the official website of the CVM University. Okay, then you can download here the CVM University, the different colleges PDFs for the advertisement, eligibility criteria and application forms. Okay, all these things you can download here. Okay, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues and subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, cleared the GATE and UGC NET exam for the 2 times and having the 13 years of teaching experience. And right now I am dealing with the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, as well as the paper 2, that is electronic science in Unacademy. As all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is dealing with the different types of competitive exam, and the NTA UGC NET is one of that one. And right now the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the different subjects of NTA UGC NET that you can check down here. Commerce, general paper on teaching, that is teaching and research aptitude. It is common to all the 81 subjects, which is conducted by the University Grants Commission. And the management, computer science, political science, history, economics, and English, labor welfare, sociology, and the language, law, education, geography, psychology, Hindi, public administration, electronic science, environmental sciences, philosophy, tourism admin and management, home science, mass communication and journalism, batch courses, Sanskrit, anthropology, and Punjabi. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects and preparing for the UGC NET exam for the next season. So here price hike alert is there. So price hike alert means right now whatever the plans are there. Okay, so these are the plans for 1 month subscription, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. So right now these plans are there. That means if you want to take the 1 month subscription plan, then it is 2,100, and for 3 months 5,250, and 6 months 9,450, and 12 months 11,550, and 24 months 16,800. Okay, so based upon when you want to write the exam, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. Okay, so these prices are going to increase from tomorrow onwards, that is from 25th December evening 6 o'clock. Okay, so please mind this time, 25th December evening 6 o'clock, the prices are going to increase. So before increasing the prices, if you are planning to take, so right now take the subscription plan, but because the price hike alert is there and the prices are going to increase. Okay, and for the new batches for June 2021, the new courses are already launched in the Unacademy platform. So all the interested candidates, please once go through the Unacademy website and then check down the subjects whatever I shown you right now. Okay, and then take the subscription plan. So these subscription plans are really helpful to you for your UGC NET preparation to crack the JRF. Okay, and the link for subscription I provided in the description box of this video. So once go through that link and click on that one, then you will be directed to the link that where you can subscribe.